Hi and welcome to Kalari Lab Online. We're now going to show you a short piece from this week's lesson. For the full lesson, please join the channel. If you look underneath, you can subscribe and join. Thank you very much. Enjoy the class. Around. Instead of this way, we go this way. Let's try. So stepping in with the left leg and with the right leg reaching for this corner up here. And behind. And then again we turn to face the left. Then my right leg will step to the center. My left leg will reach for this top left corner. Then we turn to the right. And so on. Step with the right. Step with the left. Step with the right. And turn. Good. Here, I'd like you to drop down a bit lower, like you are in the elephant. So the hands are hanging here. Look at the back of the hands and try to keep your hands this distance apart. So they stay here. And we're going to go this way, around, all the way back, one circle, again. Again, so 3 circles, and then change direction. Again, 3 circles. And then come up, wait for a moment whilst the dizziness calms down. Here you'll feel dizzy. Turn the feet, step straight, and then down on the other side. So first to the front, 1, 2, 3. Then to the back, 1, 2, 3. On the side. Let the body really relax. Maintain the fixed position, switched on core, but let the body relax as much as you can. Amaru. Straight down. Little up. To the side. Open. Close. Turn the back foot. Step behind. Left leg. Kick. Straight down. To the side. Open. Close. Turn the foot. Step back. Left leg comes up, kick, open, close, lion, block, and down. Now here, reach forward, back, up. If you need to, take a step back. And then step with the left. Voltici voltenere. Step with the right, step with the left, and step forward. Left hand up, turn, and stretch. Stay there. From here, right hand, back, front leg, back. And here we go again into the second section. Open, close, lion, open, close.